Hello guys, this is Crypto Airdropper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we'll be talking about a new Tron mining website. It's called Tron.ac. Okay, so it's a new Tron mining website, very similar to Mining's Live. So for those of you that were lucky enough to join Mining's Live before withdrawal stopped on it, this site is similar to it. Okay, it's a site where you can mine Tron. That's you from cloud mining. You can mine Tron daily, and you can claim your mine Tron every day. Okay, basically it has two wallets, like on Mining's Live, a basic wallet and a promotional wallet. A basic wallet where you receive all your mining rewards, your sign up bonuses, and much more, while on your promotional wallet, that's where you receive your deposit rewards from referrals you bring in to the website. Okay, so without any further ado, let's see how you can get started. And one more good thing about this site is once you register, you receive about 600 TRX for free, and you can also mine 6% of your total balance every day. Okay, so how do you get started? In the description of this video I'll be dropping a link which you can use to register. So once you click on that link, it will bring you to a site like this. So on this site, once you're on this site, all you have to do is you fill out these details, and you click on sign up. Okay, so let me do that pretty fast. Okay, so once you fill in your mobile number, your login password, and your security password, then you type in this. Okay, you type in this. So it's 8P5R, so it's like a captcha. So once you do that, then you click on sign up. Okay, that's after you fill that in the details, you click on sign up. As you can see, it say your registration is successful. Okay, so once you click on that, it will bring you to a page like this. As you can see, so this is what the dashboard looks like. As you can see, I just signed up and I already have 600 TRX on my balance. Okay, so after signing up, as you can see, it's in my basic wallet, and my promotional account is still empty, it's still zero. Okay, so that's how you get started with this website. So the next thing is how you can activate the mining on the website. Okay, that's the daily mining on the website. To do that, you need to make a deposit on the website so that the mining section of the website will be activated. Okay, so basically this is the amount of profits, accumulated profits, users have been able to make from the site, and this is the total number of users they currently have on the site. Okay, so there are a cloud mining website that offers a potentially cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrency, and at the same time, both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in the blockchain transaction with a small amount of capital and obtain stable income like insurance. So these are some of their global partners: 0x, Bitman, Binance, CoinDex, Genesis Mining, and CoinMint. Okay, so these are some of their partners. Okay, so how do you deposit on this site, how do you withdraw, and how do you claim your daily mine profits from this site? Just sit back and relax. I'll be showing you guys all that in this video. But before we do that, this is my YouTube channel, Crypto Airdropper. I make videos about cryptocurrency. Okay, so if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, or if it's the first time you're watching any of my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon beside it to turn on notification, and make sure you hit that like button to like this video if you love what I do. Okay, so let's get back to it. So how do you make a deposit on this site? It's very easy. As you can see from the dashboard, that's where it says deposits. Just click on that. Okay, once you click on that, you'll be able to see the address you're sending Tron to. Okay, so how do you do that? You first copy the address. Okay, once you copy the address, copy succeed, then you go to your account where you want to send the Tron from. So once you open up your wallet where you want to send Tron from, okay, then you send Tron. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be sending just 100 Tron to the site. So you put in the amount of Tron you want to send, you click on continue. Once you do that, then you click on send. Complete the transaction and wait for it to process. Okay, just let's wait for it. My network is a bit slow today. Okay, so once the transfer is complete, you now go back to the site. Okay, on the site, then you click on recharge completed. So once you do that, just wait for the website to detect your deposit, and it will reflect here on your TRX deposit quantity. Okay, so just give it some time for them to confirm your deposit. It usually takes less than 5 minutes for them to confirm your deposit, so don't panic, just be patient while the website does its work. So guys, deposit just reflected right now. As you can see right now, I now have a total balance of 700 TRX. Okay, so that's that. So after you've made a deposit, the mining section, that's the mining activity, the cloud mining will be activated automatically. And how do you confirm that? Is you go to where it says trading here, click on trading, and as you can see, 6% cloud mining is working. So you'll be able to get 6% of your total trading, of your total TRX balance every 24 hours, and you can come over here to trading to claim it. Okay, so I just started mining right now, so I can't claim it till after 24 hours, so I'll still be making more videos about this site. Okay, so then go back to the home button. So that's how you start mining on the site. Then the next question on your mind will be, how do you withdraw your profit, your mined Tron? Okay, it's very easy. Just like how you made a deposit, so withdraw is also easy. Just go to where it says withdraw. Okay, so once you hit withdraw, as you can see, my daily withdrawal limit. Okay, as you can see, using this site, you can be able to withdraw 2.5% of your total deposit every day from this site. Okay, so how do you do that? Once you go to withdraw, you can either withdraw from your basic account or your promotion account. Okay, so withdrawal from the promotion account is unlimited, or withdrawal from the basic account is limited to 2.5% of your total deposit. Okay, because I deposited 100 trons on the site, I can only withdraw about 2.5 Tron every day. Okay, so how do I make the withdrawal? Once you're here, you just put in the amount you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to withdraw 2.5. Okay, so once you put that, you put in the address you want to withdraw to, and you input your security password. So let me get the withdrawal address I want to withdraw to from here. Copy the address, go back there, you paste it. By pasting it, you input your security password. Once you do that, then you click on confirm, and voila, withdrawal successful. Then you go back to the app, and you should be receiving your withdrawal right about now. Okay, as you can see, the balance just increased. I just received 2.5 TRX. Okay, so that's basically how you deposit, how you withdraw, and how you'll be able to claim your mined profits daily from this app. So in addition to the cloud mining section of this app, you can also earn TRX by sharing your link. That's by inviting people to use the site. How do you do that? You just go to where it says share. Okay, you'll be able to get your referral link, which if you copy and you share with your friends and family, you'll be able to receive benefits. Okay, you'll be able to receive sign-up benefits and deposit benefits. Okay, so that's basically that. I think that's all I have for you guys today. In addition to the information already provided, if you want to learn more about the site, I'll be dropping a link to their white paper in the description of this video. Okay, once you go to the description of this video, you'll be able to access the white paper where you can learn much more about the site and how they work. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you sign up and you start making the best of this website while it lasts. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.